Hello students, today we are going to revise with our first lesson our earth and our solar system. In this we are going to study about sun and earth and other planets in our solar system. When we look up from an open ground, we see the sky. In a clear night sky, we can see many stars. They are very far away from the earth. Some stars are prominent while some are tiny and faint. If we look at them carefully, we find that many of them twinkle but some do not. Can you see in this picture? The sun, the moon are comparatively close to the earth. So, we can see their round shapes clearly. The sun, the moon, the earth, stars and other planets are together called heavenly bodies. What do we call them? Heavenly bodies. Clear with this? So what are heavenly bodies? The sun, the moon, stars and all the planets are together known as heavenly bodies. Stars are the heavenly bodies that twinkle. Sun is also one of the star, but it is quite closer to us than any other stars. Hence, it appears big and brilliant. In the bright light of the sun, during daytime, we cannot see the stars. So see now, during night you can see the stars, but during daytime the stars are not visible. They are present in the sky, but they are not visible because of sun's bright light. Clear with this? Now next heavenly bodies are planets. The heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planets. Planets do not have light of their own. Planets get their light from the stars. So sun is the star in the solar system and the planets in the solar system take light from the sun. Clear with this? So these planets revolve around the sun as they rotate around themselves. Our earth is a planet. It gets light from the star, that is sun. It moves around the sun. Its movement around the sun is called revolution. What we call it as? Revolution. Its movement around the sun is called revolution. Beside Earth, there are 7 other planets that revolve around the sun. Those are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So including Earth, we see there are 8 planets in the solar system. About their path, how they revolve around the sun, that we are going to study next period. Thank you. Hello students. Today we will continue with our revision of first lesson, our earth and our solar system. Now in front of your screen you can see how the planets revolve around the sun in the solar system. Sun is at the center position and all the planets revolve around the sun. Planets such as Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Yes, we have studied about this. Also, we are going to study about other heavenly bodies that are present in the solar system. Every planet in the solar system revolves around the sun along a specific path. This path is known as that parent planet's orbit. The sun, which is the star, and the planets that revolve around it are together called the solar. So you can see over here, a sun is at the center and all the planets are revolving around the sun along a specific path. So that path is nothing but the orbit of that planet. So all the planets and the sun together make up the solar system. Besides the planets, the solar system also includes various other heavenly bodies. Today we are going to study about them. So first heavenly body that we are going to study today is satellite. Some heavenly bodies revolve around planets. So earth is a planet and moon is revolving around a planet. So moon is called a satellite and earth is a planet. So these are called satellites. Satellites to get their light from the sun. The sun is only providing light to the moon as it provides light to the earth. We see the moon at night. Yes or no? So moon is seen by us from the earth at night. We see the moon at night. It revolves around the earth. Hence, it is called a satellite of the earth. Most of the planets in the solar system have satellites. The planets revolve around the sun along with their satellites. So, along with earth, moon is also revolving with its orbit around the earth. It is moving around the earth. So along with moon, earth is revolving around the sun. So moon is there along with earth continuously along with its revolution around the sun. There are also some other heavenly bodies which revolve around the sun. They are called dwarf planets. Of these, the most well known is Pluto. Dwarf planets revolve around the sun independently. They have the orbit of their own. So you can see over here, this is a planet Pluto, last planet in the solar system. It is known as a dwarf planet. So now, including this dwarf planet, how many planets do we have in the solar system? We have 9 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. Clear with this? Pluto is a dwarf planet. Now, the next heavenly body, that is asteroids. What is this? Asteroids. This is nothing but a band of numerous small heavenly bodies. It is present between the planets Mars and Jupiter. So this is the orbit of Mars. Can you see? And beyond that is the orbit of Jupiter. So in between these two planets you find a band of numerous small heavenly bodies. Those are known as asteroids. Clear with this? So these asteroids are many in number. So they are known as innumerable. Clear with this? So today we have studied about satellite, dwarf planet Pluto and asteroids. All of you might have understood. So along with sun and other planets, there are also other heavenly bodies present in the solar system. Those are moon, which is the satellite of the earth, then asteroids and dwarf planet Pluto. Today we'll stop over here. Thank you.